How to fix Google Photos not showing all photos on Android. Easy fix. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when Google Photos is not showing all photos on your Android phone. If some of your pictures are missing in the gallery, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android phone. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to Photos Settings. Here, tap on Backup and make sure Backup is turned on. If Backup is disabled, some photos may not appear in your cloud library. Next, go back to the Library tab and tap on Photos on Device. Here, you will see folders like Camera, Screenshots, WhatsApp Images, and more. Open each folder and make sure the Backup option is enabled for the folders you want to appear in Google Photos. Another thing you should do is check your Google account. Sometimes photos are saved under a different account. Tap your profile picture and make sure you're using the correct Google account. If the photos still don't appear, try refreshing the app. Close the app completely and reopen it. You can also go to Phone Settings, open Apps, find Google Photos, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. This can fix loading issues. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable so the app can properly sync your photos. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to fix Google Photos not showing all photos on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the